Good evening. I am Regent Del Ignacio. I am your student nurse for today po. And now I will do the hot compress and cold compress po for the patient. And now first I will check the doctor's order po. And after checking the doctor's order, after that, of course, I will sanitize my hand. After sanitizing my hand po, of course, gloving. And before that, if nasa hospital po kayo, of course, verify the patient. Ma'am, what's your name po?
My name is Cassandra Kumul.
Name po?
Cassandra,
Age po?
21.
Birth date po?
April 6, 2000.
Then, checking the name tag, of course. Then, after verify the patient, explain the procedure. And, of course, keep the privacy for the patient. Keep the privacy. And then, I will do hot compress po, ma'am, for your foot. And of course, and now we don't have for hot compress, but we have this right now. And then lalagay po tayo ng for comfortability ng patient sa paa. Lalagay natin kung gaano dapat siya komportable. And also this, maglalagay tayo ng towel para hindi pumabasa. This po, lalagay natin. And then put the patient po. Yan, with ganyan. Here. After that, iwan natin dito around 15 to 20 minutes po. And also, ganun din po yung gagawin po natin sa cold compress. Katulad po natin ng ginawa natin kanina, yun lang po mas malamig. Katulad po, kung paano po yung ginawa dito, ganun din po yung gagawin natin. And after 15 to 20 minutes, I will remove the cold and the hot compress po. And then, after that, dry the area. And then, ilagay po sa komportable ulit na position ang patient. And then, sa inyong gloves po. Perform hand hygiene and document the procedure. Thank you.